Hello everyone. In this video, I'm gonna continue on SQL operations in .NET Web API. In the last video, we completed getting all data from SQL from DB and getting single data from DB. In this video, I'm gonna continue with adding data, updating data, and removing data. Let's get started. We can see this data is coming from library DB book table, but add, update, and remove method is working with the static list. Let's jump into the add method. Let's write a inserting query. We can run this insert SQL with SQL connection dot execute insert SQL, but this time we need to specify the SQL parameters. These are inside of the book object, and let's try catch. Okay, return success, but if on any error gives us false, error message will be ex.message. Let's try it. Our client is already working. Okay, let's go to the client application. Let's add a new book and let's put a breakpoint here. Okay, we have the book object, we have name, language, published in an author. We are gonna execute this insert SQL. Okay, there is not any error in here, and there we are. We can see the new book in here. Okay, let's continue on update method. In the update method, I'm gonna start with update SQL. We need to specify where. If we don't do this, it will update all the records in here. We are gonna do the same thing like in add method. But the ID is coming separately, so we need to specify book.id equals ID. The ID in the SQL parameter needs to be in the book, but ID in this book object will be 0, so we need to specify this ID to book ID. So let's see what we have. Okay, let's edit the last one. As you can see, the book ID is 11, so let's execute. I'm gonna update this record. So ID is 11, like here, and book ID is 0. So I need to inject the 11 in here. So I need book ID set to 11. So let's continue. Yeah, as you can see, we updated the data. Let's execute this. Okay, we can see new data, and that's it. I'm gonna continue on removing data. So I need to inject the ID as object in here. Perfect. Let's see what we have. Yeah, I want to remove this line, new book. I'm gonna hit the remove button. So we have the ID 10. Let's go. The 10th record is gone. Let's control. Okay, the record's gone. I'm gonna delete memories and book name book. Okay, let's remove the breakpoint. Okay, 9th record gone. Let's see. Okay, okay. As you can see, we completed the adding data, updating data, and removing data inside SQL. And we don't need anymore this static list. Actually, our APIs comes to end. In the next video, I want to refactor something. I want to build a business logic layer, and I want to create a data access layer. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching this video, and see you in the next one.